Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect TikTok on Whop. So of course, all you have to do is head over to Whop's website at whop.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then next in the left panel, just click on Profile, then click on Connected Accounts. So from the list of apps, we're just going to click on TikTok. So to link your TikTok account, paste your TikTok URL here. And once done, just click on Add. So from here, you will be asked to verify your account. All you have to do is follow the steps, copy this verification code by clicking on this icon, then go to your TikTok profile, add the verification code, then verify your account by clicking on Verify. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!